Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a really quick video because I've been watching people take these erasers, right? I've been watching fellow crafters, and then they take these little eye screws, if that's what they're called, like little jewelry screws, and they turn these erasers into charms, right? It's all over the place. They're adorable. I did find these at Target. They were like 50 cents after Valentine's Day. And I'm like, oh, well, these could kind of go all year round, right? They're just mini, I'll take them out. So I haven't even taken them out of the bag yet because I haven't even tried this to see just how quick and easy it is. Now in my little kit here of jewelry findings, I do have two different sizes of these eye screws, but I really don't even think I'm gonna be able to work with that really tiny one with just my hands. And then what we're also going to do is we're going to set a timer. We're going to set a timer for 5 minutes to see just how easy these are and if I can create them in 5 minutes and maybe how many I can create in 5 minutes. All right, to see if maybe it's something that I want to do with other erasers. So we're going to put our little timer there, and I do have a pliers just in case I need to screw them in deeper into the eraser. All right, so we're gonna, well, we won't start it yet until we get these out. So let's open these up. And these are super cute. Who would have thought taking erasers? But look, so these come with all these erasers, right? And I guess the idea is that they are Valentine's cards, because then you get all of these little cards and the little radio. Whoops, I just ripped it. I guess the little radio pops in there. Look how cute these are. And then you give them away as Valentine cards. I don't know, a little chintzy, but cute still, right? All right, so we're gonna worry about those cards maybe next year, do something with those. All right, so we're gonna start our timer, guys. This phone just keeps... Okay, so I'm gonna hit start, and then, oh, you know what, let me, no, I'm not gonna take, well, let's take a few more out. So let's just hit start. Okay, see, 5 minutes, there it goes. And I guess all you do is you take this and you screw it into the, so you kind of, I guess you want to make sure that you're even, right, and straight. And is it just going to screw in? I don't know, it's not going in. Oh, yeah, it is. Let's make sure it's not popping out the other side. All right, and they're pretty secure. All right, this is super easy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I made one in like 30 seconds. So just think how many we can make in a minute. 2, right? Let's see, up. I only got 8 seconds left to get 2 done in a minute. And done. Maybe I screwed that one in too far. But yeah, I was afraid they would pull out really easily. So I'm not even gonna keep this timer going, guys, because I don't know, this phone keeps giving me messages. There's no service on it, it's just on the Wi-Fi. So let's do one more. And then, where do we get these little erasers from? Now that one's not right in the center, so I wonder if that's gonna give me problems. Maybe I can try and direct it more into the middle. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see, that one doesn't look good. So, yeah, I don't like that one. So I would take this out because I'm not, you know, I strive for perfection. I'm not perfect, but it's gotta at least look like I gave it an effort. So these look okay, right? These are kind of in the center. And then you would just take, like, what do I have here? So we would just take one of these jump rings, right? Put this on there. And then look, we have these lobster claws right here. Or we could even use one of these because I don't use these often. I don't even know what these are called. Hang on. These little like clips. So we would clip it in. Well, we can close, nope, keep that open. Put this around there, close that up. And then, maybe this wasn't such a great thing to use. Nope, look, it came right off. But anyway, you can do that, and then you can add like a lobster claw to the top. You can add, what can we add? Let's see. We can add a bead to it. Let's try that. Let's add a bead to it. Now we're just playing around, guys. But you can see this was a very easy and fun task. This is definitely something that you can just take into the living room while you're watching TV and do. So it looks kind of cute with the bead hanging next to it also, right? So maybe with a smaller jump ring, the bead, and then attach it to something like that. I don't know. I have to figure out the whole bead sequence thing. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick little video, and go out and get yourself some of these erasers and these things. I got these are probably from what do you call it? BB Crafts. But I did just order a bunch of these in different sizes and colors from AliExpress. So you can get them there, and you can probably get them at Michael's, Joann's. You might even be able to get them at like a hardware store, maybe cheaper than going to a craft store. I don't know. Home Depot, Lowe's, something like that. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.